Good morning, everybody, and welcome to a Friday morning as we look out. Look at the ice that's growing here at Pier Marquette Beach there in Muskegon. We look out over the Muskegon Pier and Pier Head there. More open water there. Lots of cloud cover as well. Look at the sunshine there across the lake in Muskegon. Excuse me, let me try that again. Across the lake in Chicago, they got blue sky, sunshine because they don't have any lake effect component going on there. But look at all the ice that's out there on the water. That's the southern base of Lake Michigan. Lots of cloud covered, even some ice building in South Haven right now. In the weather headlines, well, our warmest day occurring today in the lower 20s. That's not saying much, but if you're in the lower 20s and it's the warmest day, then you know we've come through a cold week. And indeed we have with the Arctic air in place. More light snow tonight, probably about an inch or less of accumulation. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, widespread light to steady snow, probably about 1 to 2 inches of accumulation is what we're looking at. And as we take a peek at live Doppler radar to the south and east of Grand Rapids over toward Lansing, you might find a few light snow showers, flakes and flurries. There is a band of lake effect snow out here over Lake Michigan that we're expecting to kind of turn and move eastward. It may hit the lakeshore here over the next few hours. You might see a burst of some steady to snow at the lakeshore, and then it'll move as it moves inland. I think it will dissipate, but along and west of US 131 would be the best chance to see some of that. We're not looking at anything heavy, but just know that we might not quite be finished with the snow yet. Current temperatures have us in the teens across a lot of the area. The warmest spot is down in the southwestern portion of the state in Benton Harbor at 20 degrees, but there's more to just those numbers. There is a little bit of a wind chill, and you'll find that in some areas like Muskegon, Holland, Grand Rapids, and Big Rapids, we are in the single digits with the wind chill, so that's what you want to dress for today. We look back at 6 hours ago, we had those snow showers moving on through the area. Gave us a coating to a dusting to a half an inch. Maybe it was so light and fluffy, some areas may have picked up about an inch, but it wasn't much. And you could already see behind me, here's the next little disturbance, a little ripple of energy in the atmosphere that's going to be rolling our way. And as we get into tonight, that's the best chance at seeing some more snow showers. And then, of course, that disturbance will be hanging around tomorrow, too. So we'll likely see a couple of more inches of snow across the area tomorrow. Really light stuff, but again, we'll be nickel and dimed. A little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here. It won't add up to a whole lot by the time all is said and done, though. So for today, most of us will stay dry. We'll call it mostly cloudy. I was looking at visible satellite imagery. It looks like the clouds are trying to thin in some spots. If you see a short-lived break of sunshine or some blue sky, consider yourself lucky. Overall, I think it's mostly cloudy. A few light scattered snow showers will be possible, especially along and west of US 131 today. Highs top out around 23 degrees with an east to turning north wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as you look at the computer forecast model, there's that band of lake effect snow that I just showed you on radar. This is now the computer forecast model, and as we look at this, you can see it kind of turns inward and tries to make its way inland again. So we could still see a few light snow showers, flakes and flurries west of US 131. Then as we go through the overnight hours, you could almost see the energy from that little disturbance that's going to be moving in here overnight to give us some light snow showers, another dusting to an inch or so. And then this kind of blossoms on radar here. As we go through Saturday, it becomes more widespread, 1 to 2 inches of snow on Saturday. That should taper off as that disturbance lifts out of here Saturday night into Sunday. We will have the chance of a few snow showers on Sunday, but a lot of that day may be dry because we'll have reasonably dry air in place here. So how much snow are we talking about? Between right now and 6 p.m. on Sunday, our European forecast model showing about 1 to maybe as much as 3 inches. And then again, we're looking for consistency here. So as we look at the GFS forecast model through that same time frame between now and through Sunday at 6 p.m., about 1, perhaps as much as 3 inches at the immediate lakeshore. So not a lot. That's small potatoes in the big scheme of things because we're talking tonight, we're talking Saturday, and then Saturday night into early Sunday. So that's not a lot of snow, but just know it's going to be the light fluffy kind because of the low moisture content, the cold temperatures. And it won't amount to a whole lot, but that's what we're saying about being nickel and dime just a little bit. 23 degrees for today. A few scattered snow showers lingering or left over, flakes, flurries, especially west of US 131. 21 degrees for Saturday with some snow showers likely, probably about an inch or two there. 15 degrees on Sunday. Some reinforcing cooler air works in with a chance of snow showers. Monday looks like our coldest day out of the bunch, maybe for the entire season. Highs only around 10 to 12 above with partly sunny skies. And then there'll be a bigger system passing down to our south and east of Michigan on Tuesday and another one on Thursday. We'll be on the northern fringe of that that could give us some accumulating snow, not from lake effect, but from a storm system, maybe 2 to 4, perhaps 3 to 5 inches, and then more snow on Thursday. We're still working out the track of that system, and the models are still trying to resolve that. So make sure you stay up on later forecasts there. But there is some hope that maybe we slowly begin to climb out of this Arctic freeze by the time we get into the later portions of next week. That is a look at our forecast. More coming up in the 11:30 half hour. Melissa?